Hi, I'm Patti LaBelle, and today I'm making my sweet potato pie. Everybody loves a patty pie, and I'm here to show you how to do the thing. Go ahead, you can start with the butter. Okay, give me the cinnamon and the nutmeg. It doesn't matter in what order, just dump it.
There you go.
Go girl. Now here's your kosher salt. People say, why do you put salt in sweet items?
Right.
It gives it a heightened something. It makes it
Really?
nice. I love it. It's like you have chocolate pretzels and then you put salt, dip them in some
Sweet,
kosher
yep.
salt. I can't explain it. But anyway, a little salt to your sweet. And now you can dump that. Now get the sugar. Okay, now you have to stir it up. Look at you, you're pitiful. Look
No,
at
you're not a
that
baker.
little hand. You work them, girl. I'm with Pfizer. It's all about your boom campaign that I've been doing with them for a while now. And I'm here to let you ladies and gentlemen know who was over 65 how we can keep ourselves living. And you can go to allaboutyourboom.com to look at this video that I did with New Attitude. It's funny, you just have to see it. So go there and check it out.